If you're tired of distractions, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are your ultimate escape, offering truly industry-leading noise cancellation. Seriously, slip these on, and the world just fades away, letting you dive deep into your music, podcasts, or focused work. Beyond the silence, these headphones boast an incredible 30-hour battery life, meaning your longest flights or work weeks are covered without a charge. And for seamless multitasking, the multi-point connection lets you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. It's a genuine game changer. Sony has refined the design for maximum comfort, making them perfect for all-day wear, whether you're commuting or just relaxing at home. Considering an audio upgrade, these are easily among the best wireless noise-canceling headphones available right now. If you're ready to experience audio bliss and reclaim your quiet, check out the link in the description to grab your pair on Amazon. From bustling cafes to noisy commutes, the WH-1000XM5s deliver an unparalleled listening experience that truly justifies the investment. They're not just headphones, they're an essential tool for focus and enjoyment, making them a top pick for any electronics enthusiast in 2025. Overall, for anyone seeking the pinnacle of noise cancellation and premium features, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones come with my highest recommendation.